Alright, so this is what I'm changing out today. I've got this Dodge Ram Caravan. I'm changing out the alternator. And while I'm changing out the alternator, I may as well replace the belt, even if the belt's good. So, this is the alternator. R111120 Alpha. So the actual part number, I don't know. That's what's on the label. And here is the serpentine belt. K060822 6 Papa Kilo 2088 13/16 by 82 33 1/4 or 20 millimeter by 2102 millimeters. I guess the OC is outside circumference or something like that. Alright, so that must be the idler tensioner line down here. Yeah, I can feel it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Anyways, they say to get to that I have to take that wheel off, but I don't think I should have to. I see the arm just fine right there. Should just be able to feel around back there and find it. Yeah, is that it? There it is right there. Okay, can't see it, but it's a 3/8 drive. I'm pretty sure that's 3/8 drive back there. So let me go ahead and make sure I can actually get to that before I start disassembling stuff. And I do have this gear wrench, and it has a piece that you just pop into it like that. And if this works, this is gonna be pretty awesome. Let's see if I can feel it again. Where is it? Right, that's gotta be it. There's the tensioner arm, and is that it? No, that's not it. That would have been too easy, wouldn't it? Oh shit, it's falling out. Okay, there's the arm. I wonder if I could put a bar down there and just lift it up. Let me try that. Alright, so I'm gonna use this pry bar that I've got right here. It's pretty long. See what it looks like this. So I'm gonna put that down in there and see if it works. Idler tensioner is down there. Under it. Oh, maybe I can just get it right there. Oh wait, I think it goes the other way. Okay. Where's the bell running on that? It's running over or under that. Oh no, it's running. God, compressor. Feels like, yeah, it feels like the compressor down there. Goes down there, runs up the backside here, up here. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's back here some. What's this run? No, I'm gonna have to take that wheel off now. Oh, my fucking arm is stuck. Ugh. Gotta be it. If I take this air box out of the way, I can get to it. Nope, I don't think I would. This thing is still in there. And I can get that out of the way. Bunch of shit on this box. Alright, I'm gonna have to pull that tire off, I think. Everybody else does it. Fuck. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do that. Alright, so I'm gonna have to lift the car up, pull the tire off, and then pull the inside, you know, cover off so I can get to that. So everybody else was doing it on YouTube. There we go. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. Now I'll just pull this tire off here. I wonder if you have to pull the tire off. There's one. See what I'm doing? Go ahead and tighten it up. There we go, that did it. All right, just tighten it and then loosen it up. That's all I did to do that. See, even behind here though, it's the metal frame. See that? Is it like that behind there? Maybe it was this part they took off. Oh, shit. Yeah, okay. It's this part they took off right here. Pretty sure. Alright. I have to rewatch that channel. Alright, good old trusty cardboard. You know what? I should probably put a jack stand under there so it doesn't fall on my ass. I'll do this. I'll put these bricks under there. And then I'll set it on top of the bricks. What do you think? It's getting pretty high. Gonna sit. It's gonna ride. I'm just gonna let it down. I'll let it down on those two. Make sure it's where we want it to land. See right here? I want it to land right there. There we go. That looks good. That looks good. Alright, let's get back to this. Over here. Alright. There. Let's pop these out. That's what these look like. It's definitely excessive use. Mm-hmm. There we go. And that one's out. Oh, zip tie. Zip tie. Zip tie. Alright. Okay. So they've got zip ties under here. This is fine. Zip ties are just good. Just fine. Where is it? Right here. Zip tie. And one more zip tie right there. Right there. That's loose. Let's see what else is hanging it up. Oh, I see it. Okay, so there's one up there. There's one more of those Christmas tree things. Up there. Right. Right here. Right there. Right there. Okay. We'll go pull that one out. done. Oh yeah, it's definitely this one. Yep, definitely this one. Here we go. Damn, look at all that oil. Right on where our arm was. What was that? Oh, fuck, I guess it was that. Okay, so the drive's right there. The 3 3/8 drive is right there. And the belt goes here, down the bottom, up through that. Right there. I wonder if I could actually move that with the pry bar. Up here somehow. Does that work? Like this. Is that better? Yeah. Alright. I get a better light. And I got my flashlight. See this Makita subcompact flashlight? They were on sale for Black Friday. You get the whole subcompact kit for $2.99. Was it worth it? Oh yeah, definitely. All right, that should be enough light on there. Now let's see if we can put that pry bar on it. See if it'll work. Well, it seems like it went in there, but I'm not sure that that's the most practical way to do it. Try that gear wrench. Shit. All right, I'm gonna be back. Oh, that's a half inch. Shit. It's a half-inch drive. Oh, I have a half inch. And this is why you get a specific tool for something, I guess. I don't get this. Okay, this gotta come down this way. Right? Yeah, it's gotta go this way. That's where all the tension is. I can't go back that way because it's running on top of that bar. On top of that. So it runs up there, then it runs down underneath it, so... I don't get that. I really don't. What is that? It's just gotta be a spring. Maybe I'm just weak as fuck. do it this way? Can I do it this way? It's fucking tight. Oh yeah, I'm just fucking weak, dude. I'm just weak. Ah, there we go. Yeah. It's gonna fucking hurt. Alright, come on, get off that belt. There we go. Alright, it worked. Alright, guys. God, that was fucking pain in the ass. Okay, I gotta get some more cardboard. My back's getting on the ground. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the belt while I've already got it down like this. So let me see if I can remember how this goes, because I have really bad memory, even like after I'm done with this. It'll screw with my brain. Okay, so it goes here along the bottom, along the top, and around the idler arm, which the bearing sounds alright. So we don't have to mess with that. And then it comes down here along the back side of this. I guess that's a compressor, or maybe this is, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the water pump. Yeah, that's the water pump. It's definitely a water pump. Hope that's oil and not coolant leaking out of here. Alright, let's see here. So, well, the water pump sounds good. Alright, so the belt. Let's stay on task here. Let's go ahead and pull that off. So that's off. Flat side up. Okay, I'll go up top and pull the rest of it out. And should just come right out now. Alright, so new belts. Alright, so we have here's the new belt, here's the old belt. There's another side by side right there. Micro V and Daco polyrib P, part number 6 Papa Kilo 2095 and 5060625. So it can focus. Come on, focus. So there's the old brand, there's the new brand. Daco poly something micro V. Alright, there we go. Alright folks, well we're back at it again, and I figured out why the serpentine belt was shorter than it was. Well, there's actually two pulleys back there that are in line with each other, and you can't see one. You can see one from the top, you can only see one from the bottom, but you can't see both of them at the same time, but they're so close to each other, you think that they're right there. Anyways, that's why it wasn't getting on there. So, without further ado, I went ahead and fixed that. We're just going to go ahead and pull this alternator off now. And there is one bolt here, and there's one here for the power lead, I think that is, for the actual battery. I'm gonna pull a fucking whirlpool out of here. Damn. I'll move this over here. Oh, why is that wet? Fuck. Look at that, wet. Wet. Alright, so here are the bolts. Here are the bolts, they're all the same size. See that? They're all the same size. So you don't have to remember which one goes where for the alternator. And those are 15mm. You know, I almost feel like I should go down here and clean this out while it's out of here. But, you know what they say. You clean something, it's gonna break a seal on something else. The alternator going in. I think it's fucking heavy. Go ahead and finish up that bottom one real quick. Fuck. All right, it's in. Let's go ahead and put the belt on now. So we're set here. Set here. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. Okay, let's check everything. Make sure it's all good on there. All good. Make sure it's on everything perfectly fine. All right, we do have to put the tire back on. Right? No. I think we can leave it like this. And I'll go ahead and turn it on and see how it works. A little bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so through. Okay, I'm gonna go check. Let's go turn this fucker on and see if it works. Oh, shit. God damn, no. Fuck. What happened there? Oh. God damn it. It's gotta be underneath that. Oh my god. What happened there? Okay. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. Oh, it's not underneath the thing. Go. And then like that. Okay. Let's pull this back off for a second. Go back up top. I have to pull it off of that. Looks good there, looks good there. Ready again. Alright. Hey, you grab me the key? Alright, we'll pull this back. Gonna give this thing another shot, shall we? Right there? Right there. Alright, so the alternator is on, the belt is on. We need to reconnect this cable down here, the alternator cables. This just pushes on. Pretty sure it does. That's all it does, push on. Push on like that. Wait, let's see, which way does it go? This way? There we go. Like so. There we go. Alright, let's get that over top of there. Screw this on. Alright, so spark plug's on, spark plug's on, spark plug's on. Let's put the let me go get the brush for that. Well, let's go ahead and clean these terminals before we put these back on. Makes sense, right? See that? Makes it nice and shiny.
This is probably one of the easiest things that you can do for your battery is clean the terminals. And the connectors. That's what a terminal brush looks like. It's got little wires inside there. See that? It's got this little cap that goes on top of it. It's probably like $6, if not $3, at any automotive store. This is the easiest thing that you can do to maintain your battery terminals. Right there. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's try not to kill ourselves. Shall we? So the battery terminals are connected. We have the alternator connected. And charge, and the belt is seated properly. The belt is seated properly on that back top. It goes underneath this pulley and then to the alternator pulley and down here to the compressor. Let's double check, make sure it's free of obstruction. Fuck. Let's check up there. Is it free? Free of obstructions. Okay. Okay, looks good. Yeah, I don't know what all this oil is coming from right here. Alright, I'll check that out later. Alright, we're still up on the jack. Put that tire on later. I'm gonna set this down here and we can see it. Looks good right there. Okay. Have the keys. Let's give it a start. Good. Blow apart. Not yet. Still good. Alright, let's go ahead and put a meter on it. Make sure we're getting proper voltage. Alright, so we put a meter on it and we're getting 14 volts DC. And I'm going to say that's good for this 2005 Dodge Caravan. 3.8 liter, by the way. Comes over clean. It's a 4.8 liter V6. The alternator's right there, and the belt is good. I'll come back and put that on after this. So I'm gonna have to say this is successful. Peace.